Now Louis has a tale to tell about designs that don't drive too well. Internally documented design flaws, but where's the consumer protection laws? Touch and audio ICs mixed with FlexCase symphonies. It seems Apple's got a real bad smell. MKBHD's new vape is just in. Marcus says it's really worth the fuss, but he just doesn't know what life is like when there's no 3v3 on your PP bus. What good is a propagandist tech influencer when we don't have no fan spin? 52 volts to your CPU. Here's another $2,000 Apple.
Check it out,
Show
come
how
here.
much I love you. Environmentalist lies, propaganda, greenwash lies. Now
check
sing
it
with
out,
me
come
my
here.
little song, Apple.
You're gonna
You're
miss
holding
it. You're
the
gonna miss it.
environment wrong.
Oh, you missed it. You missed it.
Logic boards that just go bust. All the hype we can't trust. Daily tech we all adore, but beware of the hidden flaw. 52 volts to your CPU. Here's another $2,000 Apple to show how much I love you. Environmentalist lies, propaganda, greenwash lies. Now sing with me my little song, Apple. You're holding the environment wrong. Logic boards that just go bust. All that hype we can't trust. Daily tech we all adore, but beware of the hidden flaws. 52 volts to your CPU. Here's another $2,000 Apple to show how much I love you. Environmentalist lies, propaganda, greenwash lies. Now sing with me my little song, Apple. You're holding